He needs some milk.
Run it. I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my.
I can't hear you. What you say?
I was saying how you got that mounted.
Oh yeah, I have straps. If you go to my channel, I have the whole setup on there as far as what you need to get. Gottem POV on Instagram or YouTube. On the YouTube channel, there's a link to all that. On the YouTube channel, it has a link to all this setup as far as which ones to get and stuff like that. Yeah, and you get a discount if you buy it. So yeah.
We did a ride last week across the alley.
Yeah.
Nobody could.
We were supposed to go on it, but my back is killing me and I ain't go away over there this time. So that's the only reason why I didn't go.
I'm gonna check you out, man.
All right, bro. Thanks, man.
Ding dong, they just think they are. Another little wannabe gangster trying to play hard. Ding dong, they just think they are. Another little wannabe gangster trying to play hard.
Alright, I'm gonna have to edit out that music somehow. The guy wanted to know about my setup, so all my setup, all the equipment, all the, you know, everything that I use for recording, for gear, everything is in the description below. There's links to all my setup, to certain companies that give you a discount, like Raven Moto, the carbon fiber for your wallet or whatever. All these links are in the description below, so click on those links. It's going to automatically take you to a page where Gottem POV sent you, and you get a discount as well. Did she push the button and she's not going to cross? My back is killing me still. Got to get that taken care of. Jeez. So uncomfortable. So we're down here on Fort Lauderdale Beach. We passed the club. My battery had died. I don't know if I caught any of that action at the clubs or one of the busiest sections down here on Fort Lauderdale Beach. I had to change my battery, but now we're getting down to where it's less crowded. We're still heading down towards another area of the beach. I don't know if I'm gonna get that though, but I just wanted to bring you guys this night ride. I'm solo tonight, and you know, it's been a while since I rode, so I wanted to get out and get some content for you guys. The last content I put up was an installation video and a memorial ride. Thank you guys for liking that video and, you know, showing your support for one of our riders and friends that went down. We really appreciate that. So now it's time to get back in the grind. I've been having some back issues and haven't been able to get out and ride and bring you guys some content. So again, it's just a night ride. Enjoy the scenery, enjoy this ride, sit back and relax. Your boy Gottem POV, I got your point of view. Get it while the getting is good, yeah. Let's go, baby. Let's go. As my boy Fastlane D will always say, let's go. Let's go. I was supposed to go meet up with him when he was in Tampa, but unfortunately I couldn't because of my back. Fastlane D, you watching this video, brother? I'm sorry I couldn't make it. You know why. I can't even talk now.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You know why I couldn't make it. You understood and everything like that. So I catch you guys. I catch you on the next one. Hopefully I can get up to your next track meet. I forget where it was. If I can remember, I'll post it here in the video also, so you guys can try and get there and meet up with Fastlane D on a track day. I want to say Lexington, but don't quote me on that. Like I say, I will put that link, that advertisement for that track day here in the video. So if you saw the carbon fiber installation video, you can see where I added my new carbon fiber. I got one more piece coming. I decided to go ahead and put it on there. If you guys can guess where after you saw that video, let me know, because I got plenty of places to put more carbon, but there's one particular place I was debating on putting it, so I'm gonna keep that a secret until the next video. But if you can guess, then I'll let you know. You guess, hey, I might give you something, might send you something. There's no might. If you guess where I'm gonna put that carbon fiber piece, you look at the other video, see where I got all my carbon fiber. If you guess where I'm gonna put that carbon piece that's coming, and you guess correctly, I'm gonna send you something. Uh-oh, where they going? They turned the lights off. Let's go, baby. I got him. That was your point of view. Yeah, yeah. Huh? I can't hear you. Yeah. It's the I got him. Yeah, right here. I'll be posting it sometime. I'll pull a reel on that tonight, and then I'll put it on YouTube. This is my YouTube channel. Yeah, same thing. Yeah, yeah. All right. Later, guys.